Hello everyone, I'm Sateos and today it's time for a new short Blender lesson. Today I asked in my Blender to the quiz where can you turn off glossy ray visibility. Since no one gave the correct answer, I decided to make a short video to show you the answer. What you're currently seeing are 2-point lights that give totally different results. One is visible in both glossiness and transmission, while the other isn't. Even if we move the second point light, change its power and radius, it stays the same. We can say the same for the first point light. We generally don't want it to be visible in reflections and in transmission. If we select the first point light and move it around, we can see that its reflection moves as well. To adjust the first point light, we need to go to the object properties, visibility, ray visibility, and if we turn off glossiness disappears, but the point light still keeps illuminating its surroundings. Now, even if we move the first point light, nothing is changing. There is no reflection glossiness anymore. But there is still transmission left. We can fix that by turning it off in ray visibility, just like we did for glossy. That way, your point lights won't appear in transmissive materials such as glass. That is it for today. I hope you learned something new. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. If you had fun learning with me, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have Patreon subtitles with more exclusive content, and you can also download the pre-Blender guide, so feel free to check it out if you prefer text tutorials over video tutorials. It is updated regularly. There is something for both free and paid members, so don't forget to check the link in the description. And if you have any questions, write them down in the comments. Happy blending everyone, bye, see you next time!